Welcome to Daddy Bits, our trade ideas program hosted by the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the ugly one. And as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? The magician here.
In the arms of an angel. That is for all the crypto Bitcoin holders. I'm sorry. I apologize. It is not a fun time.
Tell me, what happened to crypto?
Dude, Elon just crashed Bitcoin in a major way. If you guys want to know what happened, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content. Definitely helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Give us a comment down below. Shoot us a stock that you guys want us to cover. And we'll get to the reason why Elon crashed the market right after this banging new intro. Beautiful song. Today was a little rough because I'm actually running out of songs that I can use through Canva. So it's going to come to a point where I'm going to have to ask one of our viewers who may be a producer. If you're a producer, if you want to, shoot us a nice banging lo-fi trap beat, we'll work out a trade here. But today was definitely a horrible day for the market in general, but we were making some money because we're two-way traders now. We're no longer permabulls. We are now omni traders is what I'd like to coin it. We're omni traders. We're not. Yeah. We're not. How do you say this? We don't just like meat. We also like the veggies. So that's an omnivore. So now we're omni traders. So let's get to the market conditions from today. The Q took a massive fatty dump today.
My goodness.
Oh, that's Microvision. I had jumped the shark. Let's take a quick. There you go. Here comes the Qs, John. That does not look good. That is a falling knife.
My goodness. All right. So QQQ, obviously we saw a 2.5% dip. Man, what a sell-off this week. Sell in May.
Go away.
Happening. It is happening. First of all, before we get into these charts, I just want to say, personally, thank you to the followers and the subscribers. If you are new to the show, welcome. This is what's called Daddy Bits, but it's really a technical analysis, trade ideas, stuff that we're looking at. And if you guys are interested in some of these trades, go ahead, hop the van with us. But we're personally not, responsible for whatever. If you're pushing that button, buy or sell, it's completely up to you. Okay. But man, we've been on a hot streak for May.
We have been
on a super hot streak.
Up, down, left, right.
BA select start. Yeah. So we're looking at the daily chart for QQQ here. Obviously, today was a 2.5% red day. Okay. And I can't, call what's going to happen tomorrow, but man, I feel like for the past 2 weeks, we've been calling every single day to the T. But for tomorrow, tomorrow already looks like there's more pain coming because of what, Tesla rolled out with the whole cryptocurrency news. I feel like Tesla itself will drag the markets, cryptocurrency itself, because there are a lot of cryptocurrency stocks that will drag the market. I'm already talking about PayPal, Square. Those are the bigger, key players when it comes to crypto, and I think they will drag QQQ tomorrow. So just keep an eye on this one. We are below, and my general rule is if we're below the moving average, the 50-day moving average, we're in a bearish market. We're lagging. Okay.
Yep, we're definitely lagging.
NASDAQ's already there. SPY is getting there. And the beautiful Dow Jones is, that one. I'm going to short the heck out of that one.
What a day! What a day for the DIA! What a day for the
DIA is going to come down some more. But if you guys want to nibble some longs, I mean, most likely we will hit oversold territory tomorrow for NASDAQ. Okay,
we're almost here.
We're almost there. Yeah. So if you guys just want to check out, the RSI, we're almost there. MACD's opening up a little bit more. We're on the negative side, but I'm not calling the bottom here yet because today, if you look at the short 9 EMA, short-term moving average, it's crossing the 50, meaning we're in much more trouble, I would say.
This right here,
yeah, that crossover right there is a bearish signal. Just wait when the EMA 20 crosses the 50. That's even more pain. That means we're probably in the 310s, 308s, maybe another 2.5%. But who knows? What I'm trying to look at is the futures. Let's look at NQ.
Yeah, you know what they say. What goes up must come down. And if you're not shorting when it goes down, you'll be ending with a frown.
Wow. And here's what I'm worried about. Okay, this is not a dead cat bounce at all.
This is a dead cat.
We might be in some more pain tomorrow. My long portfolio is just taking a whooping. The reason being is that NASDAQ futures closed at the very lowest. And as you notice, when futures opened, obviously at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock here at my time, we haven't seen a bottom yet. And it just popped. So we have to wait tonight for this to come down. And most likely there will be a gap down tomorrow. There's no upper wick yet.
Nope.
There's no lower wick. There's no upper wick. Normally, in cases like these, it will not run up all the way to 13,366. That's not the case. You'll never see that. This will come down some more.
Because the futures already crossed. This EMA 9 on the futures already crossed down. Right. I mean, it may try. Best case scenario, in my opinion, sideways trading and then dip a little bit more.
Yeah.
That's the best case scenario in my opinion. You want to take a look at the SPY?
Yeah, let's look at the SPY. SPY. So here's who was I talking to earlier? Shout out to D. The Dow Jones is lagging right now. SPY is on its way. It just broke the 50 today, and you know what's going to happen? It's going to open below the 50, and if it does, we're already looking. We just looked at NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ's below the 50, and SPY's next. And you know who's next? Dow. Okay, which is perfect because it gives you an opportunity to pick stocks to short.
It's a very good day to short the DIA. I am on fire.
You're on fire, man. I like that Dr. Seuss stuff that you're talking about. Okay. So if I were trading, the next couple of days, I will be looking at, short positions. I wouldn't be shorting tech because tech might hit, oversold levels by tomorrow. SPY and the Dow, they still have some room to fall.
A lot.
Yeah, they still have some room to fall, and we've already seen NASDAQ, come down below the 50, and SPY's next. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll throw something out there. Boeing. Boeing. There you go.
Boeing.
Just my 2 cents. Okay, just my 2 cents.
Your 2 cents are very valuable.
2 cents becoming $1 lately.
2 cents turns to $1 lately.
What are we looking at?
We're looking at the SPY futures.
SPY futures, that's not a dead cat bounce. A dead cat bounce is when you actually see a lower wick. There's no lower wick in there. That means this one's going to come down later tonight. What you're seeing right now is just just a regular bounce. That's going to come down soon. 0.24 right now. We're not seeing any upper wick yet. We didn't see any lower wick. Just wait till tonight when London opens at midnight. So.
Oof, that's going to be rough. All right. The reason why Elon crashed crypto is because he says that he is no longer taking Bitcoin as payment for his vehicles. Let's take a look at Tesla as the first stock that we're going to cover. If we take a look at Tesla, we drew this wedge a long time ago.
Broke.
It's dead. This wedge is dead. I don't even want to create a new wedge for Tesla because that's just going to take longer for that to recover.
I'm worried about Tesla because now 545, 550-ish is in the books. Most likely that will hit within the next couple of days.
So today it ended at what? Ended today at around 589.
Well, that market hours, yeah.
Yeah, market hours 589. If you look at the RSI for the daily RSI is almost damn near oversold.
Oh yeah.
It's damn near oversold. But here's the very interesting part about what's happening is if we take a look at after hours trading for Tesla, that's 582.
So tomorrow we're going to see a gap down. Really depends on how it is come morning. You know, if tomorrow is green, tomorrow's green, really.
Yeah.
But what we're doing over here is we're not calling out what's going to happen tomorrow. No one's going to predict what's going to happen tomorrow. It's how we prepare for it, right? And this is what we're doing. You know, we're doing our homework and we're sharing it, you know, to you guys.
Yeah. If this is green, you could take a day trade into it. But if you see it dump a little bit more, keep shorting it. I mean, it's that simple. Or if you're trying to get into a new position, Tesla might be a good position tomorrow because you never know. All right, so the market sentiment when it comes to Tesla is directly correlated of how memeing, you know what I mean? Like how much of a meme status is going on with the stock. If Tesla is, if Elon is pumping it as a market mover, quote unquote, on Twitter, there might be an influx of retail traders that try to get into Tesla. Right. But this is very bad news for crypto traders.
Man. That sucks. I mean, we're looking at Bitcoin right now. It's at what, 49? Just touched 49.
No, and it's how do you say this? We're not catching any breaks in 2021.
No, it's been rowdy.
It's been in 2020. There was a lot of gains to be made. In 2020, there was a lot of gains to be made. But now that we're reopening, a lot of people are taking their money now and trying to enjoy that money because they want to take that money and go on vacation when they actually can. So it's just some psychology of the market. One stock, however, that is going to be affected by all of this are the crypto mining stocks, primarily Mara.
Yeah. Oh,
Mara. I like Mara. Mara's a good favorite. Mara's a nice favorite for us.
Mara was a regular. There you go.
Yeah, a regular.
That's been around the block so many times.
Yeah, and this is oversold. But there's going to be more downturn tomorrow.
Yeah, most likely. I mean, after hours, it closed at 1860. So it dropped, what, 15-20% more? Yeah, it did.
Oh, good Lord.
Yeah. So check this out. It closed at 1850, okay? If futures stay the way as is, all right, let's look at the weekly chart. And this is basically zooming out. Okay, 1850 takes you below the 50 moving average. Okay,
right there.
This chart is done. But however, it really depends on how crypto moves tonight. Who knows? You know, if cryptocurrency trades 24 hours, 24, 7, 365, right? Really depends on the sentiment tonight. There might be a dead cat bounce because this got beaten up so bad after hours that the gap needs to be filled at 22-ish. Okay.
Yep.
But however, this chart is done. You know, it's on a downtrend. You want on a downtrend, what you want to do is pops.
Yep. Well, even if now that you're showing me this this weekly chart, that is not oversold by any means yet. There's a lot more pain on this chart, dude.
Yeah. It really depends on market sentiment for crypto tonight, because Mara does follow crypto.
It does. Bitcoin, I mean, however Bitcoin moves, Mara moves in a similar fashion. And so does Riot too. You want to take a quick look at Riot and see what happened?
Yeah, Riot most likely took a dump too.
Riot's there too.
15-20%. after hours.
Riot there too. Yeah, that's not a good look. That's not a good look.
Yeah.
I'm not liking this at all. Let's take a look at the last stock that we want to cover, which is Microvision.
Okay, so Microvision, okay, is a very popular meme stock as well. Okay, they had a huge partnership. They were recently named along with Microsoft. Okay. I don't know if you guys remember that news that really pumped up the stock. But if you look at the stock itself, it's consolidating, which is good. Today was a nasty day. Obviously, we all saw that. But really, it's been consolidating. And you can actually compare this chart to AMC. Oh, AMC is a soft spot right now. But whenever you see a consolidation after a huge run up, there's going to be small pops along the way.
Yeah, there's definitely going to be small pops along the way.
Small pops along the way. And all you got to just watch out for is volume and the MACD.
And that's getting primed too. All we need is a good green day on this.
One green day, and then
one green day
will pop again.
One green day on this. I like it. I actually like this.
For all the fundamental players, look at the short interest on Microvision. It's pretty high.
Dude, it's one of the highest ones.
Yeah, and I think it's at 20-something%, or I don't know. You guys might have to double check on that one. Short interest is another category, but because a lot of people are just betting on the stock that it's going to come down. So just keep an eye on Microvision. This one has a potential to pop again.
Yeah, definitely. If it does pop and it breaks through these levels, expect like a good 2% move, in my opinion. I mean, today was down 9%. Jesus.
Yeah.
9%. And this right here is a bearish harami. So I would, not today, but soon, just make sure that you guys watch these levels and manage your risk accordingly. Anything else you want to add?
That's it.
That is it for
by the way.
Oh yeah. That's hey,
tomorrow after hours.
Biggity bang bang tomorrow after hours. Disney is reporting. We are very bullish on Disney. I feel like guidance will make it ride a little bit higher. I'm ready. My calls are primed and ready to go. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
I'm gonna get in it. I'm gonna ride this one with you. I'm gonna ride this one with you.
This is the reason why we say this is not financial advice, because you guys shouldn't even be following us at all. We're degenerates, right? We're gonna blatantly say it. We're very transparent on this channel, and if we're wrong, we're gonna tell you guys that we're wrong. But don't follow our trades unless you've done the due diligence. If you guys are gonna follow our trades and you lose money, that's not our fault. This is not financial advice. Trade at your own risk. But if you guys make some money, buy some merch, throw us some subs. Just spread the word. And maybe we could all be one happy family, and you don't bet against the mouse. You know what I'm saying? So follow me on social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Follow us both at Trading Daddies, tradingdaddies.com for all your news, your merch. 15% off your entire purchase on our store for Robinhood Sucks. I got some new designs that are coming up pretty soon, so just stay tuned for that. If you haven't yet, make sure that you guys reach out to our friend Jay over at Bust Down Investments. If you want to be a new trader, learn how to trade, brush up on your skills, or just be part of the cool kids crew. Just show up, ask a question or two, and see if he has something to offer you guys. And then hopefully we'll see you guys on one of the sessions that's you get the double dose of the daddies. I think that's worth the price of admission. So make sure that you guys hit up our boys over at Bust Down Investments. And with that being said, remember too, you know what? Let's get trading. I botched that one. I hella botched that one. Let's get trading and remember that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.